Okay, so as usual, my day has just started, and it is 5:31 p.m. and I haven't done anything in the whole day. I've done something actually. The hardest thing which I was telling, I've sorted out and did the thing. It's working totally fine. Amazed. And today I'm thinking about learning about Hitler. I don't know I actually don't know who Hitler is. I know he's some cruel guy, some crazy maniac who killed a lot of people, and then he committed suicide, which I just know in this moment. And I'm like, let's study about Hitler and do my own studies, own academic studies. So today day is gonna productive. Yesterday I don't even have a clue what I was doing. Today I have a clue that I am going to learn about Hitler, which is going to be amazing. Then with all that enthusiasm I sat on my desk and started studying. I watched some videos, some short clips to get the gist. Then I'm like, let's study in deep dive. And I watched the whole 1 hour documentary and some other videos too. Someone with in the purpose of history lecture. I studied all of. It was not so long, it was like an hour or two, I'm not sure. I didn't keep the track of the time. And that's it. I I enjoyed it. It was hurtful for sure, but I enjoyed learning that. Okay, so I have just seen the Hitler's documentary and stuff, his biography and all. He's a crazy guy, man. What an influencer. आज के इन्फ्लुएंसर्स तो क्या ही है उसके सामने. वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 का अकेला मतलब रीज़न वो था भाई बंदा. क्यों था? जस्ट बिकॉज उसकी जो वो होती है पेरेंटिंग, मतलब समझ लो बच्चे को वो करते हैं, वो बहुत अजीब था, बहुत डिप्रेसिंग था. ही इज़ बीन थ्रू अ लॉट, सो ही एंडेड द 7 करोड़ 50 लाख लोग मरे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हिटलर. और मैं बताऊँ अभी कोविड में 39 लाख. सो मतलब जस्ट इमेजिन 7 करोड़ 50 लाख और उस टाइप की जनसंख्या, मतलब पॉपुलेशन कितनी थी और अब की कितनी है. किलर मैन, अमेजिंग. What he had done is, मतलब I don't know what to call it. He was a maniac. That's a fact. And the main point is he committed suicide. In the last moment of his life, he married to his girlfriend, and then he committed suicide on the next day with his wife. मतलब the person he loves the most, and he killed his dog before dying. मतलब it's like it shows कि एक पॉइंट आता है हर इंसान की लाइफ में जब उसको लगता है कि पता नहीं, मतलब जितनी गंदगी करनी थी कर लिया, अब कुछ ढंग का करके जाता है ना. इट्स जस्ट कि वो इतना गंदा इंसान था, उसने 75 करोड़, मतलब सॉरी 7 करोड़ 50 लाख लोगों को मारने के बाद उसको अंदाज़ा हुआ कि मैं कितना गंदा हूँ. सो दैट्स इट. आई हैव लर्नड अबाउट हिटलर. नाउ आई हैव टू डील विद माई अकेडमिक्स. बैक टू स्क्वायर वन. बहुत हो गई बकवास. आ जाओ अपने उसमें, जो क्या बोलते हैं पता नहीं, उसमें आ जाओ बस अपने. Okay, so as usual, I have wasted a lot of time, literally a lot, and I'm not just saying it, I have wasted. And it is 11:09 p.m., of course, and I have to do a task which I haven't even started. Today I'm going to study sensor. Let's see what's in there. And then after that there's coding too. So I don't know how much I can do today, but this is the update. And let's try our best to complete both of them. I have to do one quiz also, man. There's a lot of tasks, but let's see. Okay, bye bye. Then I went on my desk and started studying, and I realized that the teacher who taught me something in a span, like in a month or a week, I did it all in just an hour or two, maximum 2 hours. So I've completed 1 week of their task in 2 hours, which is amazing. Their 1 week is like 40 minutes each day. So 6 times 40, you can calculate. I don't know how much was that. Okay, so basically I studied for some time and enjoyed the sensor part a lot. I understand what are the sensors were there, and I'm feeling like I'm a bit foolish not studying them with the academic course. But I feel like there was a waste of time. To be frank, my teachers are teaching me very well. They are putting all of the effort, and it's just a perspective. I'm just putting it out there कि लेट्स से कि अब मेरी क्लासेस ऑनलाइन है, ठीक है। अब कंसीडर इट एज अ ऑनलाइन कोर्स जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। अब इस कोर्स के लिए जो मैं अमाउंट पे कर रहा हूँ वो कहीं से कहीं तक वर्थ नहीं है, ठीक है। दिस इज़ वॉट बोथ बोथ एंड नो, मेरे को भी अंदर से मालूम है कि जो मैं पे कर रहा हूँ वहाँ से मैं कुछ सीख नहीं रहा। वो सिखा रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं है, वो बहुत अच्छे से सिखा रहे हैं, बट मैं कुछ नहीं सीख रहा वहाँ से। और जो वो सिखा रहे हैं वो मैं कहीं और से सीख रहा हूँ, और जो कि फ्री है। बट लाइक कि अगर मैंने वहाँ बचाया होता, मैं उस बंदे को ज़्यादा पे करूँ कि लेट्स से यूट्यूब पे कोई बंदा पढ़ा रहा है और उसका मेरे को नंबर वंबर मिल जाए, मैं भाई उसको गूगल पे कर दूँ कुछ अमाउंट, इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ जो अमाउंट मैं वहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ, जो कि काइंड ऑफ वेस्ट। बट एक ये भी कह सकते हो कि आप वहाँ से मेरे को पूरा कोर्स मिल रहा है, पूरा सिलेबस मिल रहा है, और वहाँ से थोड़ी बहुत फैसिलिटीज़ मिल रही है, थोड़ा नेटवर्क मिल रहा है, और कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही रहा है। बट इट्स लाइक इट इज़ नॉट वर्थ वॉट आई एम पेइंग फॉर दैट थिंग, एंड फॉर पता नहीं। So it's just what I feel. And apart from that, I didn't did much, but after that session I watched a podcast of Ranveer today. Man, what was the name of the guy? um, how can I forget this? ah Sushant, Sushant Grivekar. एक second, I have written a whole thing. uh, Divikar, Divgikar, something like that. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but there was amazing, man, amazing. What highly recommend anyone to watch the podcast. That time of my life was not at all wasted. There was like give me a whole new perspective to look at few things in my life. And that's all for today. Yeah, that's not all for today. I have to do coding no matter what. This is the issue. This is the issue which comes with consistency. Like, I have done something and I'm feeling like satisfied. Okay, I've done enough for today. But consistency is the key. You have to nail it down. So I don't know if I'm going to shoot it or not. Maybe a time lapse, that's not even effort. Most probably I will, but I will do some coding because I have to be consistent, man. Otherwise, this happens with me all the time. I don't know why. It's so rubbish. Whatever this happens, but this happens. So that's it. Bye bye.